Hey, buddy. Still paddling by your hand? Too much work. No worries. LiTime turns your boat electric instantly. Wondering how we do it? Just 3 steps. Step 1, got a boat? Great, you're halfway there. Step 2, pick your outboard motor. Step 3, here you go. LiTime outboard motor battery. Now your boat's electric. Our batteries don't just power your motor, they keep your whole boat running like a dream. Tiny motor, big motor, flexible power solutions for all your motor needs. LiTime's got the perfect battery for every one of them. Ready to electrify your ride? We're the experts in boat batteries. LiTime's got your back. 20+ safety perks. Because we care about your boat and you. That, my friend, is how LiTime turns your boat electric instantly. Always ready for every season, every adventure. LiTime one-stop power solution.